Balsamiq is a powerful tool for creating wireframes and mockups, allowing designers to visually map out the structure and flow of web and mobile applications. Once your wireframe is complete, you can create a prototype to simulate interactions and user flows. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a prototype in Balsamiq. Open your wireframe. Start by opening your previously created wireframe in Balsamiq. Add links and hotspots. Navigate to the page where you want to create interactions. Select the element you want to make interactive. Use the link tool to add hotspots. These hotspots can link to different pages within your wireframe, external links, or other components. Internal navigation. To create navigation between different screens, use the link tool to add the connection between pages. For example, a button or icon on page A can link to page B, allowing you to navigate between different wireframe screens seamlessly. External links. Add external links by entering a URL in the hotspot properties. Interaction states. Use interaction states to simulate how elements behave when hovered, clicked, or focused. For instance, a button can have a hover effect or change in color when clicked, helping to create a more realistic prototype. Transitions. Customize the transition between screens by specifying animations or transitions for page changes or element interactions. Test the prototype. Once your prototype is set up, click through the links to ensure all interactions and navigation work as intended. Share with stakeholders. Export the prototype or share a live link with collaborators or clients for feedback.